Hey, this is Danny for Codetexture.com, and today's question is: do I need a content management system (CMS) for my site? What the hell is a content management system, aka CMS, and do I need it for my website? First part of the question is easy. The second depends on the needs of your business. To answer the first question, what's a content management system, otherwise known as CMS? The official definition, according to Wikipedia, states the following: a computer application that allows publishing, editing, and modifying content, organizing, deleting, as well as maintenance from a central interface. Such systems of content management provide procedures to manage workflow in a collaborative environment. These procedures can be manual steps or an automated cascade. Pretty much, a content management system is what it says it is a system that manages content. I'll explain. There's many different content management systems on the market, such as Drupal, Magento, Joomla, and WordPress, just to name a few. WordPress is the most popular and dominates the majority of sites you see on the internet, with over 60 million users worldwide. 60 million. Do I need a content management system for my site? Well, that depends on your needs. Content management systems have their pros and cons. Before you decide which direction to go, you should ask yourself some questions. Will I be updating my site often? Do I need a blog? Is my site an e-commerce site? If you answered yes to any of the above, then you probably do need a content management site, CMS site. WordPress sites are great for posting content such as articles for blogs. In addition to being user-friendly for people with non-coding skills, content management systems like WordPress come with all sorts of plugins to help you optimize your site for search engines. If you need to add and edit products for an e-commerce site, let's say, then something like WooCommerce is very easy to integrate into your WordPress site. You don't need a CMS if you won't be updating your site often, your site is under 5 pages, you don't need a blog. Although content management systems are great, they aren't always needed. If your site is small and you won't be updating regularly, then something like WordPress might be overkill. Like I said before, CMS sites have pros and cons. Sites that are built on CMS like WordPress pose a slightly higher security risk than sites built without it. The reason for this is the popularity of WordPress itself. WordPress is open source, which means it's free and all the code is available for free to any developer that wishes to contribute. This is good and bad, because it means you have a huge community of developers contributing useful and meaningful code. But on the flip side, you have many developers finding security breaches and using it to cause havoc on sites that don't stay up to date. Sites built without the use of a CMS are generally more secure for that reason alone. Non-CMS sites can be cheaper to build. Customizing WordPress themes and creating custom themes can be a lot of work, therefore require more time and money to develop. Deciding if you need a CMS site can be a tough decision, but asking yourself just a few questions can help you narrow your choice. A side note: you can always convert your existing site into a site that uses a content management system later down the road if it needs change. I hope I answered your question. Do I need a content management system, CMS, for my site? For more web development tips for business owners, information on web development for the average person, make sure you head down to Codetexture.com and subscribe down below. Thanks.